guys, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. All right, so we are in our new series. We have done several videos so far on Make It on Monday with Mallory. I love this series. I love trying different products. You know, with being at GSG and I get to talk to all of you, which I love. Sometimes I forget how much fun it is to play with all these products. So I think that's why I love this series so much, is getting your comments and your feedback and hearing, you know, what products you want to see and do they really work? Does it work on this and that? So it's been really cool. So I look forward to more and more comments and more feedback, seeing your projects with different things that I've done. So keep them coming. All right, so one of the requests was Easysubli. I know a lot of you have followed us on YouTube and you've seen my videos using the F570 Epson dye sublimation printer, which I love and highly recommend, but I get questions all the time. Well, can I put it on a black shirt? No, you can't. So you cannot put the paper directly and sublimate a black shirt. You want to make sure, you know, it's polyester, white, some lighter fabrics. But a lot of you out there have the F570 and you want a full color and maybe you're not ready to move, you know, to a wide format printer and use printable HTV. So Easysubli from Siser is the answer. It's great. I printed this onto Easysubli from my F570, and you can then line it up with your cutter and have registration marks so it knows where to cut. On this one in particular, I did it to where it's a big enough thing to where I can just go ahead and cut it. I did the black outline because I'm putting it onto a black backpack because, guys, my son's baseball is starting up and I have 4 boys, 2 girls as well, but these boys love some baseball. Our daughter does love softball. This is actually for my son's baseball team, and he loves carrying, besides his regular backpack, he likes having an extra one because he pitches and loves different batting gloves. I don't even know all the reasons, but he has 2 backpacks. Usually we have double headers or those wonderful tournaments that take up our whole weekend. It's awesome. So I'm going to show you on a black backpack how great this Easysubli is to use. And like I said, you don't have to do it like I'm doing it. You can obviously line it up with your cutter. Sometimes what I like to do is go ahead and cut the image and then sublimate on top of the Easysubli when it's on the bag. There's lots to do with it. You can definitely message me or check out on our website what all you can do with Easysubli. I have some other videos on it. So, all right, the Easysubli is ready to go. Now I have the Easysubli mask. So you want to go ahead and mask this so that you're able to put it on. Again, this is a really big one, so it's not like as big of a deal that you mask it as far as like making sure it stays there like you would with adhesive. But for this case, you want to make sure, you know, that it protects that sublimation and goes right on to your substrate. All right, so for this, I have a pillow in the backpack. I'm going to be pressing it just on the pocket. I didn't bring my other platen with me. Usually you want to have, you know, the platen where you can just slide it on. That definitely makes a difference. All right, so with Easysubli, you want to go ahead and pre-press what you're doing just for 2 to 3 seconds. I have a heat press pillow in here just because there is a zipper, so I want to make sure that it is getting to the exact spot that I want it to be and that it's raising it above there so it is adhering like it should. Alrighty, then I'm going to press it and I'm at 310 degrees for 15 seconds. And like I said, this is a great way to get a full color with using your sublimation printer anyway. So the Easysubli is an amazing product that I really, really like and gives just that opportunity to all of you that are used to sublimating but have had to avoid black items or any dark actually, but black and like red, stuff like that usually bleeds through. And this turned out super cool for my son's baseball backpack. Like I said, it just adds a little extra to it using their colors, the black and blue. Great way to customize a backpack whether your kids are into whatever sport, or if you're like me, I'm the snack mom, and I always have to have extras. Otherwise, my kids love to just use our savings at the concession stands. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be sure and tag me on what you've used Easysubli in. If you have questions, shoot me a message, comment below. I would love to hear anything from you. I always love hearing from you guys. And I would love your feedback on Make It on Mondays with Mallory. I want to know what you want to see, what products you've loved seeing. Do you want to see more equipment? What do y'all like? Just shoot me a message or comment below. Definitely follow us on social media at GSG Vinyl Decorating and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next Monday. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to see more of my vinyl decorating tips and projects. I would love to see what you're working on, so make sure and tag me. See you next time.